Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video on our YouTube channel. Yes, this video is regarding about the preparation strategy on paper number 5 for the upcoming attempt June 2024. So we are going to start with the paper analysis series, ABC analysis series for each and individual papers. So our today's paper we are taking for our discussion is paper number 5, business law. So in business law, if you see, it is divided into four major bundles. Bundle A is regarding commercial law, bundle B is industrial law, bundle C is corporate laws, and bundle D is business ethics, as you all know. Okay. When it comes to commercial law, it comprises of Contract Act, Sales of Goods Act, Partnership, Negotiable, Introduction to Law, and then LLP Act, it will be comprising of. Industrial Law, Factories Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, ESI, EPF, and Code of Wages. We have done. Corporate law, entire corporate law up to section 128 and some parts of directors has been there. Then come to business ethics. One of the beautiful concept which is given to you is a business ethics, and it is necessarily need for those individuals, those who are studying this professional course. Not only in business ethics and emotional intelligence topic, they have included the personal ethics also. How the human being will be, what are those, everything has been beautifully there. So when it comes to first, let us discuss on the paper pattern and then I will come back. Your MCQ will be there. Still, the pattern will be, they are going to follow the same pattern. As of now, there is no change in the pattern. So we are assuming they are going to follow the same pattern. 15 MCQs will be there. Each MCQ will carry 2 marks. So total 30 marks will be there for MCQ. As of now, for the last attempt, they never ask justification for those. The reason for those, choose the best answer. Okay, next. Descriptive based question. A descriptive based question is seven questions they are going to give. So total 14 marks, 98 marks, 128 marks you need to attend. It means a question paper will be valid for 198 marks. You should attend only for 100 marks. It means out of 7 questions, you should only able to answer 5 questions. Okay, now we need to simplify it on the basis of the percentage. Okay, this percentage I have taken from your module. They have given 30%. It means minimum 35 mark to 40 mark will be tested from commercial laws, 80 to 20 mark from industrial laws, corporate laws is 50 to 52 marks, and business ethics is 18 to 20 marks. Okay, so in this paper, our target is minimum 60 plus, maximum 80 plus. Minimum is 60 plus. 60 plus everyone should get. But maximum, you can try your best efforts to score 80. Okay, it will helpful for other papers which you able to set off with other things or some other group if you are writing for both groups also. Then, as we have discussed earlier, you're having 6 modules here, 5 modules here, corporate law, only one entire big module, and business ethics will be your one module. And if you see, comes to a business ethics part, just one module, roughly around 30 to 40 pages, will give you 18 to 20 marks very easily. I'm overestimating it. It's justly somewhere around 25 to 30 pages only. So that is going to give you a 2 solid 7-mark question or 10 plus 4 category. Like that, you will get 2 questions from that ethics itself. And more than that, you will have MCQs from ethics as well. Okay. So when we come to our ABC analysis part, what we can do, our first target is to complete the emotional intelligence. Okay, to secure those 18 to 20 marks, we will study line by line, topic by topic. Each and every line needs to be have a proper meaning, proper nuances to that point, what they are trying to say. Each and everything you should learn. Do some writing practice. Whenever you sit for study, for law preparation, take syllabus 2016, all previous attempt question papers. All previous attempt question papers you will take. Okay, for this. And if time permits, do syllabus 2012 also. For topics like commercial laws. For companies law, there can be an amendment, right? For commercial laws, there not be that much amendment towards the commercial law and industrial law. So make sure you are focusing on those areas, the past previous question. You can get almost 25 to 30 questions per topic or minimum 20 questions per topic. Just focus on those topics. It will cover entire chapter itself. Okay. Now, come back. Second preference, we are going to give it to Indian Contract Act. They are giving a very good quality of question from Indian Contract Act as well. And the third preference will be given to your Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. And your fourth preferences will be given to Code on Wages 2019. Next, your fifth preference will be given to your Companies Act. This is and all A category. Okay. If you immediately, if you study this business ethics, directly, if you want to go for Companies Act, you can go. Okay. And then come back and complete this A category part. Once you completed the Ethics and Companies Act, you can easily score 55%. It is almost around your pass mark of 40. Do some writing practices, and many of them are asking me a question, sir, can case study based question will be tested? Yes, case study based question will be tested. How many questions will be tested? Minimum 2, maximum 4. Minimum 2, maximum 4. Okay, don't expect the question paper in a easier way. Always expect you will prepare in such a way that the question papers needs to be tough. If you see the paper should be easy, then it is a scoring paper for you. If it is tough, it is a 50 mark or 60 mark paper for you. So always focus on your conceptual clarity. Next, come to your B category problem. The B category topics which I have suggest you to do is Introduction to Legal System and Sale of Goods Act. These are the first two categories you need to complete, which comprises of 5%, individually 5%. So total 10% will be there. Then come to your Factories Act 1948, Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, and the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952 will be there. Why there is a specific box here, sir? Because this chapter, this 10%, along with this also, they are going to ask you only 10%. It means you need to put lots and lots of effort. Maximum 2 questions can be tested from this area. Factories Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, Employees Provident Fund, ESI. On put together, they may only ask 2 7-mark question or 10-mark question, 4-mark question, 8-mark question, 6-mark question, like that. Okay. So it is only 2 questions. So we will put it in a B category. Now, your C category will be Indian Partnership Act, LLP Act. This Indian Partnership Act and LLP Act comprises of entirely 5%, which is almost around 1 question. If they ask Indian Partnership Act, they are not going to ask you LLP Act. If they ask LLP Act, Indian Partnership Act, they cannot be asked you. Okay, MCQs you can expect from whatever the topics you are having. Even in LLP, you can expect an MCQ. Even in Introduction to Legal System, you can expect an MCQ. Along with that, you can expect a 1 question also. Okay, whatever the percentages is given, they are not exactly mean to be tested in such a way. They may test you overrated also. They may not able to test you whatever the percentage they have asked. So in simple, we are going to prepare in such a way that we need to score 60 plus marks, as that's our minimum scoring mark, and our maximum is 80 plus marks. What resources I will use, especially for law and ethics? You will use your ICA study mat. Okay, ICA study mat. And you will study, there is something known as e-bulletin, which is available in the website. E-bulletin. In e-bulletin, you may find MCQs and also some case-based MCQs will be there. If you study case-based MCQ, it will be helpful for your preparation because you need to focus Companies Act, because in your final corporate law and economic law, the same Companies Act will be there. Okay, so you need to study the company law. Don't avoid company law, especially the directors topic, the new topics which have inserted on 13 point. I think so. It is somewhere around a director's topic will be around 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, 12.5. That's topics you need to take care. Okay. Next, I say study mat, e-bulletin will be there. And third, if you prepare your self notes, That self notes. And next is syllabus 2016 past papers plus model question papers plus revision test papers plus postal test papers. PTP means postal test papers. Sit for half an hour. Okay, sit for maximum half an hour to 1 hour to prepare. What are the questions? Download all the question papers, like almost for syllabus 2016. Past papers, whatever the question papers you got. And plus your June 24 attempt MQP, that is model question papers. Download it. Take one piece of paper, ruled paper, give a heading, commercial law, or give us a chapter heading, contract act, sale of goods act, partnership act, negotiable act. One by one, give a heading. Like a B category, give a heading. C category, give a heading. Like what you have right now. Then write each and individual question in a piece of paper, in that notebook. What is a strategy notebook if you want to say? That strategy notebook. Okay. Focus once you study conceptually. Focus on those questions. Take a paper, take a ruled paper, take a black pen or a blue pen as per your convenience. But I would suggest you to write in black pen. Okay. And set a timer for 10 minutes. Take one question. Complete those questions in 10 minutes. Do the writing practice for 7 days. Okay. After that, take some break and then come back and do some writing practice. If you do for 14 days, you will score this paper as your scoring paper in your attempt. So this is a strategy you need to follow to succeed in your examination by scoring 60 plus marks. That's it. We will meet up in another new video with a new topic of the new paper discussion of a financial accounting. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.